Hey Dana, and welcome to my vlog. This is around the house. If you ever want to see what was inside of a Toro chargeable weed eater, well, here's your battery, here's your charge connection, here's your switch running down the plastic shaft and connects halfway down, a little further than halfway down, into your little electric motor. And there's a whole bunch of screws along that way. And the wife is cleaning out all the stuff that got caught around the bottom of the spinner of the motor shaft. But it is not working at this point. So I'm gonna have to come back and check it to see what the power.
Oh no, because if it don't work, I'm throwing it out, dude.
Power is down to the motor.
If this don't straighten it out, it's going in the garbage.
So, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. There'll be a second part of this if it doesn't go out to the road.
Oh, they won't, 'cause I'm throwing the fucking trash can.
And welcome to my vlog. It's Sunday, and I got done doing security last night. So a long day, but this is basically a project, or not project, but around the house. And of course, part of the owning a house is trimming around the house and keeping the grounds somewhat presentable, cutting weeds, and we have trees go down that has to be cut, and basically just keeping your property looking nice. In my case, I was looking at chainsaws. I've got stuff out here I gotta cut up now. I've got an apple tree. I've got two big pear trees that have to be cut down, and we decided that we have old trimmers, battery powered. I got a battery powered and I got a gas powered trimmer, but what I'm driving at is going from gas to batteries, and everything is going that way to battery charging and stuff like that. So we were in Walmart not too long ago, and they've now come out with battery everything for yard work, even chainsaws. So I'm looking into chainsaws right now, and your battery voltage goes from 20 on up to 60. Now, Snapper carries a 60 volt, and the wife found the Work, and that's a 40. Black & Decker is a 20. So I felt like 40 is probably the best way to go, being that Snapper is more of a professional that you could use professionally. So the wife went to Walmart the other day, and
I don't need you. I can put this shit together myself.
she picked up the 40 volt Worx brand.
Look.
Isn't that cool?
Becomes however long you want it to be.
Right?
It also pivots.
The head is a
The
90
head pivots 90 degrees, although I'm not quite sure how you do that part.
right?
And that's where you that's where you push this and it gives you new line.
And it was.
And this is where the battery goes, so it ain't a very big battery.
He slides in there.
Oh, and there's my wheels, because it's got wheels.
This came with not only the weed eater, but it also came with a yard blower. she pointed out that, oh, a little wheel. So you just push it around when you're doing it. Yeah, you don't have to hold it the whole time while you're doing whatever you're doing.
Dude,
Yes.
that's why I got it, because of my shoulder being as bad as it is.
Right.
I can let it do its thing, and I don't have to hold it the whole time. But feel how light it is.
Aluminum. Yep.
It's not as heavy
cool?
as the other one.
It's pretty cool.
Oops. Seriously? I can...
You blow our heads, and then
Now listen, on the other hand, it's kind of heavy.
that ought to be fun.
That's going to be a lot of fun. First order of business is I'm going to blow the dog.
Gonna have a mini.
It's turbine.
Look at the little turbine in there. Now, on a
I should
another.
be able to blow off the deck with the leaves and everything. I mean, this
Yeah,
is pretty
just
cool.
blow stuff around the yard.
Oh, and now here's my heavy battery.
The now just to add, these are brush. This is a brush brush motor. I mean, you got little brushes in there, and eventually the brushes will wear out. Now, if you move up to the snapper,
Oh, dude.
they are brushless, which means they don't have any brushes, and they're magnet. The walls of it are magnet,
Give me that.
like the like a regular motor.
Oh, I think this is the charger. This is a good thing because that's
And all my motors that run the motors on my
Oh,
drone,
that's a charger.
run the blades on my drone are also.
Oh, seriously. Unless you don't want them for later.
Okay.
Yeah. Gonna be heavy though.
As far as weight's
Gonna be
concerned,
heavy.
this is what's being replaced. It's either has a battery issue or it's got a motor issue. But I'll have to look and see what the voltage. Might even say right here. It didn't give me a voltage. 12 volt. 12 volt DC is what this is. So you're going from a 12 volt here up to a 40 volt in that. So there's a big difference.
What is that Tim the Toolman Taylor says
And
about power?
you see the size of the battery in that. And this is the battery. This is actually the battery. We pulled it apart the other day. And you can see in the video that the battery is that whole compartment. Oh, yeah, she pulled it apart. But that's the whole battery compartment right there. And you can compare the batteries. They're about, they might be about the same size. But
Roughly.
roughly.
The one in there is a little bit narrower, but it's like the same length.
And that is not a lithium battery. That has water in it, water and lead. And this one here is a lithium-based.
Don't hit my flowers.
Yeah. Put that in. And I'm not sure what the. Let's look and see what the charging time is on it. But it's blinking green, saying that it is working. Now, in my case, you can. Worx makes a chainsaw that goes along with this. It also has a motorized chain tree trimmer that actually goes along with this too. So, what we got for specs on this thing? It actually came with 2 batteries, and she explained to me that you can buy each individual component here separately, And each one of the batteries costs how much? Did you say? About $70?
Roughly.
Roughly $70
Yeah, push that down in.
for each. It's locked. Okay.
No, it ain't.
Hold on. Okay. It ain't going on. There you go. It's locked.
It is now. It wasn't. I couldn't
Okay.
make it lock.
Each battery is approximately $65, $70. The blower by itself is how much?
About 100.
Okay. And then the weed eater itself?
100.
100.
100.
So each one of these units was about is about $100 separately.
Oh.
And if you go and buy the box, you're gonna get
Battery work.
the whole box for
Screw the dogs.
for $150.
Huh?
Say? How much did you pay for it?
The box?
Yeah,
That?
the unit, yeah.
$149.99 plus tax.
So you're getting a savings,
And they sell these,
as you can hear,
which are the replacements
and these are the
for the
replacements.
weed eater, and you get 2 for $6.
So there's a considerable savings. And I think the chainsaw is about $150. Didn't you
Yeah.
say? So considerable savings by buying the pack.
Look, you can put a screw in the wall, and I can hang the sucker off.
40 volts, 40 volt cordless trimmer and blower, 2-in-1. It does have a 3-year warranty.
And Walmart will try to sell you a warranty for $20, which I decline,
Okay.
because you have to send the stuff back to the works, and then you have to pay all the shipping and all that happy horse shit, and then you don't get it fixed anyway.
Okay. So that's your option if you want to get the
Extended warranty,
extended.
but I don't recommend it,
There it is. There's the.
because it's never worked out for us, dude.
Okay, there you go. Oop. Still not getting what I want.
Shake the box, that's
All right. Oh, okay. There is a lawnmower.
Yeah,
There's a lawnmower that goes with it.
it's $250.
Is a looks like a power sprayer. You got your trimmer. There's the blower and the weed eater. The chainsaw. Look like a flashlight.
I can get no flashlight. Give me my directions so I can put my weed eater together. Give me my box. Alright.
And the blower is turbine base. The weed eater, or the weed eater, is pivotable. You can go 90 degrees on it. Hi, Nancy. Hi, Nancy boy. Okay, powerful variable 2-speed. Okay. Also have a So.
Can you push on this little button right here?
Mm-hmm.
Right here?
Yep.
Right here?
Yep.
See it?
Yep.
See it?
Yeah.
See
Tells you
that?
how much charge you got, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Advance notice of how much charge you got.
Oh, I may not be able to put this together though. Let me see. There's so much stupid stuff.
So we will see how this works out. You do squeeze that head, and that causes it to rotate.